How about this product as a feature in your kitchen? A retro style fridge freezer. Got all the features of a modern product with frost-free technology, but it's got the styling that everybody loves, that smeg styling. Definitely 1950s American. Big chunky chrome handles, the CDA logo and the refrigeration, all talking about that retro feel. Really, really nice product, plenty of space inside. They give you 3 glass shelves, a wine rack and a fairly sizable salad crisper, which can be adjusted for fruit or veg, or left in the middle if you're going to keep both in there. It has a 3-drawer freezer, totally frost free. It's available in a range of colours. There's a blue, there's cream and there's a pink colour. And if you're interested, why not give Wellington's a call on 01322 344 100, or take a look at our website, Wellington's Home Electrical. I'm sure we'll be able to help you with one of these lovely products in your home.